Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eamon Scullin. I'm the CEO and founder of Fern Software. Our loan portfolio system is installed in over 30 countries in 5 different languages and servicing over 3 million borrowers on a daily basis. The banks are in crisis, as you know, and the advent of new technology from events such as Finovate isn't helping their cause. The flow of new technology is making lending more available to more people more easily. Our presentation today will be dealing with a new system which we have developed on the back of many years of experience. We are looking for 3 different types of audience today, and we want to engage with each of them. The first one are apps developers who are looking for a core system that we're able to leverage our market presence to give them some exposure in countries and areas that they wouldn't otherwise have thought of. Secondly, we want to address the banks who want to take our software on board to give them a more innovative approach to lending, to SMEs, asset-based lending, consumer lending, trade credit, and so on. And thirdly, we want to address the investors. I was reading in the Financial Times a lady called Bridget Gandhi of Fitch Ratings, who said that savers who have been getting meager rewards on their savings account are going to shift to more lucrative accounts once the interest rates start changing. I think that money will flow towards lending organizations in this very fluid market. So without further ado, I'm going to hand you over to my colleague Adam, who will take you through a fantastic piece of software that will blow your socks off. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much, Eamon. My name is Adam Sturton, and I'm the CTO at Fern Software. Today we're going to show you how our new CRM platform can help your financial app reach a global market. As a credit provider, using CRM generally means finding something off the shelf and then adapting your own workflows to fit inside that product. Because of this, we realized that there wasn't one simple to use CRM, so we set out to create something that was flexible, that works the way that you do. We call it Baytree, and it's a financial CRM aimed at credit providers with a deep integration through a built-in app store. You can make it your own through first and third-party apps built on top of our open API that developers can leverage to get their software to markets that they never thought they had to reach for. Today we're going to show you 3 features: the social network it creates for your team, some of the loan portfolio management tools, and how developers can get involved. So when I open up Baytree, the dashboard gives me an overview of what's happening, and it's my social insight to what's happening with my contacts and allows for real-time collaboration with my team. The activity stream is the way that it aggregates all of these things. It brings together feelings of social networking and your loan portfolio, and it can be updated automatically, or it can be updated by going in here and posting social network updates as you normally would feel in a familiar Facebook style. Along the side, I have my day organized with events and tasks. And one of the things I really like about Baytree is that it learns how you work. So the calendar is actually intelligent in that it learns about the behaviors and patterns that you do. So for instance, if I issue a new loan, I like to follow up with the borrower about a week later via email. So the system is smart enough to figure out these behaviors based off the interactions you do and make suggestions. So I can now see that I should do that follow-up today. So I'm just going to head back to the dashboard to take a look at something a little bit deeper. I see here at the top that James has recently updated the business Ace Chemicals. So I'm just going to take a look at them. Now, so from here I have a complete overview of the financial heartbeat of the company. Many of our customers offer loans to small businesses, so I'm able to quickly see the repayment status of the loans. I have a breakdown of how I interact with the company. And along the top, I have a breakdown of all of the different components that are connected to this business for loans, interactions, the employees, who owns the company, and so on. So I can see here that Ace Chemicals has 8 loans issued to them. Now, that data is quickly presented to me in an easy-to-digest way with integrated visual elements, so I can see the repayment status quick. Now, whether you're managing a business, person, or their finances, the UI has a consistent look and feel, which has a lot of polish already on it. So I want to show you now how developers can get involved. So let's have a look at the store. Now, Baytree has a standard RESTful API that has always up-to-date documentation. Whether you build your app into Baytree or you're using the API for your own external applications, everything that is in the web application is available and exposed via the API. Apps can either be free or paid. You can control whether it's a one-time fee or if you want to set up a recurring monthly revenue for your business, you can do that right inside here. Developers can choose to use either JavaScript, C# with Java support coming soon as well. So here's just a quick rundown of some of the apps that are now built in here. So Fern manages the entire process of hosting, security, and billing. And by comparison with other app stores, we're only taking a very small fractional cut of it, what you would normally find on a smartphone. Now, let's say I wanted to integrate the Dropbox component into Baytree. Discovery of apps and installation is simple. It requires one click, assuming I have access to do so. So just think about this, though. The approach that we're taking here enables customers to have all the features that they want without the complexity of all of the settings and preferences that go along with that. So the user experience becomes frictionless and users' satisfaction just goes through the roof. You really get the product that fits well for what you need. So to add it all up, Baytree is a modern financial CRM aimed at credit providers. It has an open API to allow app developers to get involved. It's the perfect way to launch their financial app to markets that they never thought they had the reach for. Thank you.